First things first, you need 6 to 10 apples. I got 9. I don't know why I have 9. Like odd numbers, I guess. And make sure you wash them, okay? Some of your hoes be so nasty, okay? Wash your apples. Wash them apples. Then you gotta peel them. You can use a knife, but I like to use my thingamajiggy that I got from Dollarama. It's lifesaver, but they should look like this, okay? Nice and peeled. Then you gotta chop them. You gotta chop them fairly even. I did not do that, okay? And I'm obviously not cutting it right, as you can see me struggling here. But yeah, don't be cutting it like me because you can really hurt yourself. So yeah.
So first you're gonna add some flour in a bowl. Then you're gonna add a pinch of salt. I went too rogue, okay? Because I had sea salt and I thought, it's sea salt. Maybe I have to add more since they're like crystals, but I was dead wrong. So a pinch of salt, guys. A pinch.
I'm gonna add some brown sugar. I went kind of crazy with the brown sugar. You see, I'm adding more brown sugar. Damn, I'm making it rain with this brown sugar. Holy, I didn't know I added this much. Then we're gonna add some oats. I didn't have like the oats they needed, so I added like regular Quaker oats. But you're supposed to use like some whole oats. I didn't have that. Also, I added some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the no-name brand. I wanted to add some extra crunch, so that's why I added the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Also, a disclaimer, I don't measure shit. Okay, I eyeball everything. So if you guys are asking how much cups this, that in the comments, I'm sorry. I won't be able to tell you because I just added it from my eyeballs. That makes sense. Next, we add some butter. Okay, I just added glops because Preppy Kitchen cubed it. I didn't have time for that. Then we got in there and mix it with our hands. Don't be afraid to go in there and mix it with your hands, okay? I found it very therapeutic, okay? And then it's like some lotion because, yo, your girl's hands felt salt after, like salt. Now we go season these apples, okay? Because these apples need to be seasoned, okay? They need to be nice and seasoned so they taste good. So first, we add some white granulated sugar, okay? Then you already know we added brown sugar. You don't need to add brown sugar. I thought you needed to add brown sugar, but you actually didn't. One of the sugars are enough. Then you add some cinnamon, so just sprinkle it all up in there. I love me some cinnamon. What's cinnamon without some nutmeg? Add a little bit of nutmeg in there. Get it in there. Then you can add some lemon juice or freshly squeezed lemons. I had lemons, I just didn't want to do all that work, so the lemon juice worked perfectly fine for me and my laziness. A little or a lot of vanilla didn't hurt anybody, so yeah, add some vanilla in there as well. As much as me or as little as me. Now we go grease this pan. Okay, the ingredients didn't call for this, but I never trust putting anything in my pan without no butter or anything to kind of like, you know, so it doesn't get sticky and ting, okay? Get sticky and ting, okay? So yeah, grease your pan. Now we gonna build this apple crumble, baby. So add your apples. Okay. Now we go add the crumble we made. So just put it in there. Slap it in that pan or on top of those apples, okay? After you add the crumble, it should look like this.
Okay, so that is the first part of this video. So we'll see you in the second part.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so the should be ready now. It's been over an hour, so I'm gonna take it out and show you guys how it looks. Okay. Good, man. Anyways, yeah. See you guys in the next one. So good, man. So good.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of my video. If you made it this far, then you might as well subscribe, because the heck, why watch the whole thing and not subscribe or like it, you know? So do one of those two. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.